Okay, I got the new antenna on my boat. Hustler 4 BTV, 4-band vertical antenna, trap antenna. It's got 3 traps for the different bands. I got it mounted back here at my solar panels. It's the base of the antenna. Those are attachment for the ground radials, which I have one attached to my lifelines, which are going around the boat, and then the second one on the other side. Let's see, right here, and then under here, I don't know if the camera shows it, I've got a few more cables running as the ground radials. It's not ideal. I mean, it's the best I could come up with for now. But yeah, this is the antenna, about I think about 22 feet long or something like that. Freestanding, no guy wires. I don't even think I can put guy wires on here, because they would probably interfere with the sails and stuff. So let's see how strong the antenna is. Well, here's the 2-meter antenna. It doesn't do all that great, it's not high enough. Okay. Yeah, that's I think that's about as good as it gets. It does work. SWR is not perfect. Let me get off the boat here to get a better shot. Yeah, that's it. My floating ham shack. So let me go inside and turn on the radio and see what it does.
Okay, I'm taking a few more than the QRT. Special event NJ2KC for Columbus Day, standing by.
Kilo Yankee 4 X-ray Victor.
Is it Kilo Yankee 4 over?
Yes, good morning. The call sign again is Kilo Yankee 4 X-ray Victor. I repeat, possibly because I have a bad reception or transmission. Kilo Yankee 4 X-ray Victor. QTH is Dade City, Florida, QSL.
Yeah, no problem. You're real strong up here. Very nice signal from Bay City in Florida. About 10 over 9. So your equipment is humming away and the RS getting out north without a problem. Again, the name is Jim. We're Central New Jersey, and we're sponsoring it from our club. And you can get some more info on the Knights and Columbus on our QRZ page. KY4XV and J2KC.
Yeah, nice to meet you, Jim. Well, as a matter of fact, right now I'm actually not at my QTH. I'm right now in Hudson, in a marina, and my antenna is mounted on the back of my sailboat. It's just a Hustler, a vertical antenna. I'm still playing around with it, and I'm actually surprised it works as good as it does, you know, because I don't have any ground radials on it right now. I'm basically just have it strapped to the back of the boat, you know. So I'm in Hudson right now, Hudson at the Gulf of Mexico, QSL.
A few times there, as if there's a connection. I got your vertical, and there might be a loose connection somewhere, because you sort of drop out and then you come in. Over?
Yeah, okay, yeah, that's possible, because like I said, the antenna is all temporary right now. I got it mounted on the back of my sailboat in Hudson right now. I'm in a marina in Hudson at the Gulf of Mexico, QSL.
Okay, I got it. Okay, that's possibly what's doing that, but definitely when you're coming through quite strongly. Okay, 7-3s, I appreciate you stopping by for the Columbus Day special event, and I hope you have a wonderful day down there. KY4XV and J2KC.
Thank you, Jim. 73s to you too. Kilo Yankee 4 X-Ray Victor. I'm off.
Okay, 73. I'm going to take... If I turn this thing just off the I don't hear nobody. I think something went out.
Contact.
Yeah, the contact, go ahead.
Yeah, good evening. I'm sorry to break in. I'm just testing a new antenna here on my sailboat. This is Kilo Yankee 4 X-Ray Victor. How is the copy?
Kilo Yankee 4 X-Ray Victor on a sailboat. That's unbelievable. That's George, I guess. Yeah, I see a sailboat. Very, very nice. And you're down there in Dade City, Florida. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct. That's my QTH. But right now I'm in Hudson, Florida, in the marina, and I just mounted a Hustler 4 BTV or whatever this thing is called, just a vertical stick, and it's basically the first tests I'm doing. So apparently this antenna is working.
Yeah, I'm in New York. I'm in Syosset, Long Island, New York. Up here in about 24 miles due east of New York City.
Oh wow, great. Yeah, your signal is extremely strong here, 9+10 consistently.
Yeah, and you're 5'9", and I'll take 5'9" plus 10, and I'm working Tom. Are you able to hear Tom, KF4AHW?
I can try. Tom, can you copy me? Kilo Yankee 4 X-Ray Victor. Okay, yeah, you come here like 5'7", 5'8" as well. You know, it's a little bit of QSB, but still readable.
Yeah, I'm on 81 and a battery and a ham stick. Tennessee, right there in Knoxville.
Oh, okay, great. Yeah, it's yeah, that's what I'm running right now. It's about 80 watts what this radio puts out, and like I already said, you know, I'm on a sailboat here. That's just basically my first test, you know. Currently in the marina, so I'm not out in the water, and I'm hoping once I get out on the water that this antenna is going to work a little bit better.
Keep going a little further, I would say. I dropped down to 60.
Yeah, still readable.
Sounds like the band's coming up. Looks like it on the sweep here.
Yeah, okay. Well, anyways, I'll let you guys go back to it, and thank you very much for taking me in. I just wanted to do some tests, and I'm going to be off here. Still have to do some adjustments, and I'll may call in later on. This is Kilo Yankee 4 X-Ray Victor. My name is York, QTH, Dade City, Florida, currently in Hudson, Gulf of Mexico. QSL?
Into that. Somebody take it. I gotta go check this fire. KF4AHW.
Alright, do what you gotta do. It's the shack, KF2GV. And George said, do I have a decent signal down there?
Yeah, your signal is great. As you're consistently 9+10.
Yeah, I'm running. I got an FPDX 101MP. With a VL1000 linear amplifier and a 6-element 4-strand monobander. That's at 22 feet, down to 22 feet. We got a big storm up here, so the antenna is vessels down at 22 feet, not up at 100 where it belongs.
Yeah, it's definitely working. I mean, your signal even came up to 9+20 at times. You're doing a great job there.
All right, well, thanks. So, yeah. I saw a picture of that sailboat. Get it in the water for crying out loud.
Yeah, it's back in the water now. I was trying to upload some different pictures now on QRZ, but I'm having a hard time. This is you can't just copy and paste. It's quite a procedure, but eventually I'm gonna get to it. It's in the water since about June this year.
Yeah, and where were you born? Where were you born? What country?
Originally, I'm from Germany. I guess you can still hear the accent.
Of course I can hear the accent. I was born in Brooklyn. I'm sure you can hear my accent.
Yeah, I hear a little bit, you know. Anyways, well, great talking to you. I got to get going here. It starts getting dark, you know. I wanna finish a few things up. And again, thank you very much for taking me in, and so I had a chance to test this antenna. Well, wish you a good evening. And 73. This is Kilo Yankee 4 X-Ray Victor. Back to you for your final.
You take care, and good nothing to you. And 73 from KF2GB Jack here in Syosset, Long Island, New York, 24 miles east of New York City, 73.
Guten Abend, 73.